Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic mirror. First, gather your essential tools, including a screwdriver set and specialized trim removal tools. Next, confirm you have the exact replacement mirror designed for your specific Honda Civic model. Before starting any work, always disconnect your car's battery to avoid any potential electrical problems during the replacement process. This crucial step ensures your safety and protects your vehicle's electrical system. Now, let's remove the old mirror. Begin by carefully prying off the interior trim panel that covers the mirror's base inside the door. Use your trim removal tools to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the panel is off, locate and disconnect the electrical connector attached to the mirror assembly. Finally, unscrew the 2 or 3 mounting bolts or nuts that secure the old mirror to the door frame, then gently remove it. With the old mirror removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door frame, ensuring the mounting holes align perfectly. Reinsert and firmly tighten the original bolts or nuts to secure the new mirror in place. After securing the mirror, reconnect the electrical connector to power its functions, such as adjustment and heating. Double-check that the connection is snug. For the final steps, carefully reattach the interior trim panel, making sure all clips snap securely into place. Reconnect your car's battery and then test the new mirror's adjustments, heating, and any other integrated features to ensure everything works correctly. Remember, a clear view is crucial for safe driving. Also, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to this and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.